There have been a great deal of endeavors to make the ideal move to procure application. However, up until this point, none have figured out how to break into the standard. STEPN, a Web3 running application with gaming and social components on the Solana blockchain, anticipates evolving that. STEPN utilizes a double symbolic framework. The first, Green Satoshi Token, or GST, is a utility game token, and the subsequent one, Green Metaverse Token, or GMT, is an administration token. The last option is the cryptographic money we will be checking out in this cost gauge. Kindly note that our GMT token cost expectation doesn't comprise speculation counsel. Kindly consistently do your own examination prior to putting resources into any cryptographic money. What is Green Metaverse Token? Green Metaverse Token, GMT, is the administration badge of a wellness application called stepn. Its primary objective is to energize a sound way of life and advance eco-kind disposition. The application permits clients to acquire prizes for moving around outside when they prepare their NFT tennis shoes. At the hour of compassing, it was one of the most famous wellness applications on both Google Play and the App Store. STEPN offers an entire large number of highlights that are pointed toward giving a consistent encounter to both crypto specialists and novices. The application contains a whole biological system of digital money-related items that will permit newbies to draw in with STEPN without downloading any extra applications. There is an in-fabricated wallet, a commercial center, a trade administration, and that's only the tip of the iceberg. Moreover, what separates STEPN is its attention on intuitiveness and in-application gamification. For instance, clients can step up their NFT tennis shoes and mint shoes. There are additionally numerous social intelligence choices. The GMT token is for the most part utilized for administration purposes inside the STEPN application. It can likewise be scorched to get to certain elements like shoe overhauls. At last, it is likewise used to decide on choices concerning the dissemination of marking rewards. Who founded STEPN? STEPN was helped to establish by Jerry Huang and Yan Rong. The previous is a deeply grounded game engineer, while the last option is a crypto private backer and business visionary. The task has a hardy group brimming with industry veterans and experts and has joined forces with probably the greatest players in the crypto business, similar to Binance. GMT Historical Price Analysis. As GMT is as yet a moderately new cryptographic money, it's hard to foresee the future value patterns of this token. Nonetheless, taking a gander at verifiable information can give us some knowledge into how GMT might act from now on. In light of past execution, we can expect that the cost of GMT will keep on ascending after some time as additional clients start utilizing this stage. The GMT token has proactively had a couple highs and lows since its IDO in March 2022, and its market cap is at present found immovably inside the best 100 on CMC. The cost of the GMT token has topped at $4.11. STEPN Price Prediction 2022. As per the specialized examination of STEPN costs expected in 2022, the base expense of STEPN will be $1.85. The most extreme level that the GMT cost can reach is $2.10. The typical exchanging cost is normal around $1.92. STEPN Price Prediction August 2022. The specialists in the field of cryptographic money have dissected the costs of STEPN and their variances during the earlier years. It is expected that in 2025, the base GMT cost could drop to $1.60, while its most extreme can reach $1.78. By and large, the exchanging cost will be around $1.67. STEPN Price Prediction September 2022. In light of the examination of the expenses of STEPN by crypto specialists, the accompanying greatest and least GMT costs are normal in 2026, $1.85 and $1.68. By and large, it will be exchanged at $1.74. STEPN price prediction October 2022. Crypto specialists are continually breaking down the vacillations of STEPN. In light of their forecasts, the assessed typical GMT cost will be around $1.81. It could drop to at least $1.75, however it actually could reach $1.93 all through 2027. STEPN price prediction November 2022. Consistently, digital currency specialists plan gauges at the cost of STEPN. It is assessed that GMT will be exchanged somewhere in the range of $1.79 and $2.01 in 2028. Its typical expense is normal at around $1.86 during the year. STEPN price prediction December 2022. Cryptographic money investigators are prepared to declare their assessments of the STEPN's cost. The year 2029 not set in stone by the most extreme GMT cost of $2.10. Nonetheless, its rate could drop to around $1.85. Thus, the normal typical exchanging cost is $1.92. STEPN price prediction 2023. After the examination of the costs of STEPN in earlier years, it is expected that in 2023, the base cost of STEPN will be around $2.71. The most extreme expected GMT cost might be around $3.28. Overall, the exchanging cost may be $2.79 in 2023. STEPN price prediction 2024. In light of the specialized examination by cryptographic money specialists in regards to the costs of STEPN, in 2024, GMT is supposed to have the accompanying least and most extreme costs, about $4.10 and $4.65, separately. The typical expected exchanging cost is $4.21. STEPN price prediction 2025. The specialists in the field of digital money have broke down the costs of STEPN and their changes during the earlier years. It is accepted that in 2025, the base GMT cost could drop to $6.07, while its greatest can reach $7.16. By and large, the exchanging cost will be around $6.24. STEPN price prediction 2026. In light of the examination of the expenses of STEPN by crypto specialists, the accompanying most extreme and least GMT costs are normal in 2026, $10.44 and $8.75.